Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella. My channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we are going to have dinner, everything from the garden, except for the potatoes and the ham. So come on, let's get started. Okay, back here we have our green beans, ham, and potatoes. The green beans are from the garden. The ham and potatoes came from the store. In this pan, we have some oil heating up. We're going to make some fried green tomatoes. Now in here, I have cornmeal and flour mixed together. And to this, I'm going to add salt and pepper. So, we're going to have green beans, ham, and potatoes, fried green tomatoes, and sliced red tomatoes. That's our dinner for today. So I got the salt and pepper added in here. Now I'm just going to mix this all together. And then, to see if our oil's hot, we just add a couple pinches. And when it starts sizzling, then we'll know our oil's hot. So while we're waiting on our oil, I'm going to go ahead and put the seasoning on the flour mixture on my tomatoes. And you want them good and covered. But we have our early girl tomatoes are ripening. Our Cherokee purples aren't. They are still green. And I just sliced 2 tomatoes. For tonight, for dinner. 2 green ones to cook. And what I'll do is, after I get done with this, I will mark this bag. It's put fried green tomatoes on it, so that way I could just throw this bag up in the freezer and have all the stuff I need the next time I want fried green tomatoes. Okay, I think our grease is hot, because see how it starts to sizzle? So now we're just going to add our green tomatoes to the grease. And you can slice your green tomatoes as thick as thin as you like them. And if you never had fried green tomatoes, you should give it a try. They're a little tangy tasting, but they're good. One more. Can we fit it in here? I think we can. Now we're going to fry these until they're golden brown on one side, and then we'll flip them over and get them golden brown on the other side. See, I marked my bag, fried green tomatoes. Now I'm just going to throw this up in the freezer until the next time I want fried green tomatoes. These are just about done. They turned out nice and golden brown. And what I do is I just take them out and drain them on some paper towels. And then we'll put them on our plate and it'll be time to eat. But like I said, if you've never had them, give them a try. You'll be amazed at how good they are. Now my mom used to make fried green tomatoes, but she only fried them in flour. She never used the cornmeal. But I like the flour cornmeal mixture. So this is what our dinner plate looks like. Fried green tomatoes, green beans out of the garden, fresh tomatoes out of the garden. And it all smells delicious. So we got a bite of green tomato. Hot. Ooh, ow. And then some of our fresh green beans. Perfect. Now to the green beans, the only thing I did was I put them in the pan with the ham, about a tablespoon of bacon grease, and probably about 4 cups of water, maybe 6. I put them on medium heat and I let them boil. I let them boil for about an hour and a half. And then I added the potatoes, put the lid on them, let them keep boiling until the potatoes were done. Added salt and pepper to them, and that's all I did to them. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list in the description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.